Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Reading and Comprehension Using a Timeline. Video 1. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. How to use the video lesson. There are 4 steps and/or 4 options. Option number 1. Video and questions on screen. Complete video engaged. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first and then open it up with Smart Video Player. Step 2. Option 2. Video and print out only the comprehensive questions that are provided. The video will play the story and the students will write on the comprehensive questions. Step 3. Option 3. Simply print out the handout only and provide a handout for each student in your class. Step 4. Option 4. Simply use the smartboard lesson that is provided only. We will now go to the video. A timeline is a tool that we can use to help us understand history. It can tell us what happened at different times. It can tell us how much time there was between 2 events. It can give us a picture of dates in our minds. That helps us see how they all fit together. Timelines are not only for old events. People still use them today. They help us keep track of important dates in our lives. You can even make a timeline for yourself. A timeline looks a lot like a number line when you begin. Draw a straight line across the page. Make little marks for the important events in your life. Your timeline might begin with your birth. Include things like the first time you walked and when you started school. It might show the year that you were in each grade. The year goes on the side of each mark. The event goes on the other side. Here is a sample timeline. 2005, birth. 2006, walk. 2010, preschool. 2011, kindergarten. 2012, first grade. And 2013, second grade. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first set of questions. Thank you. Page 1. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. Answer the following questions based on the reading passage. Don't forget to go back to the passage whenever necessary to find or confirm your answer. Question 1. What is a timeline? Question 2. Why do people use timelines? If you would, now pick up a pen and write a brief answer here and here. Please pick up a pen now. Okay, your answer should be, what is a timeline? A tool to help us understand history, which was located at the very beginning. Question 2. Why do people use timelines? To help them keep track of important dates in their lives. That was located right here in this paragraph. If your answers matched ours, that is super. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers, and while you're doing that, please have another student come up to the smartboard for the next series of questions. Thank you. Page 2. Please do not pick up a pen until you are asked to do so. Answer the following questions based on the reading passage. Don't forget to go back to the passage whenever necessary to find or confirm your answers. Question number 3. What kind of event should be on your timeline? Question number 4. What is on a timeline besides the events? If you would, please pick up a pen and write your answers here and here. Please pick up a pen now. Here is what your answers should look like. What kind of event should be on your timeline? My birth, the first time I walked, and when I started school. You will find those located right here. What is on a timeline besides events? The date of the event or the year. If your answers matched ours, that is super. That's outstanding. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard for the very last question. And while they're doing that, if you would erase your answers, thank you. Page 3. Please do not pick up a pen until you're asked to do so. You'll notice we provide for you an example. Make a timeline that shows at least 3 events from your own life. Your answers will be different than everybody else's, so we cannot provide you with an answer. If you would please, pick up a pen and create a timeline. Please do that now. Okay, we want to thank you for working with us today on reading and comprehension. Please make sure you pick up an eraser and erase your smartboard. Thank you.